Bam, what's goody? Jordan Baywood here, and today I'm going to show you 5 ways to instantly have higher quality vocals. I promise if you stay to the end of this video, your vocals will sound better. And even if you have my vocal presets, and even if you watch my videos before, if you follow these 5 rules, you will always have high quality vocals that sound good, and it will impress your friends and family, and you'll just have higher quality music. So let's get right to it. So step 1 is to get a foam cover for your mic. As you can hear, without it, it doesn't sound as good. With it, it sounds very rich and nice to hear. I used to have a pop filter, and that's all I knew. So the difference between a pop filter and this is a pop filter is gonna get the P's, but it still picks up ground noise and people talking from a different room or a fan or anything like that. And actually, I've been having very high success with using a foam cover, and I'll put a link to one in the description. They're like $5 to $10 on Amazon. They work for lower quality mics and higher quality mics, so definitely get one of these. It definitely changed the game for me in my vocal recording.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby, do me crazy.
Okay, so step 2 is when you already have your vocal recorded. I highly suggest using vocal presets. I have a vocal preset pack you can check out using the link below, but I'm gonna use Vocal Sauce for Logic, and I have over 25 vocal presets. It includes ad-libs and dubs, and it has hip-hop, trap, singing, old school R&B, and I suggest using these to catch a vibe, your vocal, because every song that you make, it's actually gonna change, and you may not wanna use the same preset for each song. So I highly suggest just going through a few and checking out and seeing what you like. It's a lot, like we can do wavy R&B.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby, do me crazy.
Wow, that sounds really good. We can do fresh rap.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby, do me crazy. You wildin', you been bullin' lately.
We can do, new age trap.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby.
Old school.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby, do me crazy.
Let's go to ad-libs.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby, do me crazy. You wildin', you been bullin'.
Side dubs.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby, do me crazy. Susie baby, you poppin' like.
So obviously there's a lot to pick from, and I just found a vibe with this one is wavy R&B.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby, do me crazy. You wildin', you been bullin' lately.
Boom, and that's step 2. Step 3 is to tweak the settings to taste. So what I like doing is making sure on these vocal presets, I like making sure the level meter is hitting -20. On every preset, I have the bar set at -20, so you know. Let's play it, and we're gonna open this region, and we're gonna just change the gain if needed.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby.
So we need to turn it a little bit down.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby, do me crazy.
Right there is about good. And then I like changing the pitch correction. Use audiokeychain.com to find the key of the track, just 8 bars of the beat into audiokeychain.com. You'll find, if it's A minor, you'll set the scale at that, and I already have the speed of the auto-tune pretty much set, but if you want to change that at all, be my guest, and you'll definitely want to set that up. And pretty much, just tweak like reverbs, if you want more reverb.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby.
I made it very simple where you can just simply change the delays.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby, do me crazy. You wildin', you been bullin' lately. Susie baby, you play me like a ukulele.
You maybe want more highs.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi baby, do me crazy. You wildin', you been bullin' lately. Susie baby, you play me like a ukulele. Got me feeling down, damn, got me acting foolish maybe.
Step 4 is to use mastering presets. In my vocal preset pack, I actually included 5 amazing masters for Logic. You can go to the output track and you can hit setting, go to user channel strips, and then go to mastering chains. And then I have always works. I like the always works, the one's my favorite.
Susie baby, you poppin' like a Uzi.
Now, what this is gonna do is this is gonna prepare your song for streaming platforms. I have these masters set where it's going to make it loud enough to sound really good on streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple, SoundCloud, YouTube. So yeah, you can use these and obviously tweak to taste. And at the end of each mastering preset, I actually have a loudness meter. At -9 is where industry standard is right now. So you want to make sure it's hitting this -9 bar. And if it's not, you go to your limiter above it
Susie, baby, you popping like a Uzi, baby. Do me crazy, you wildin', you been bullin' lately. Susie, baby, you play.
Since there's no drums, there's no 808 or kick right here, it's obviously not gonna hit -9, but you wanna go to the part where there's the most action. So you wanna go to, the hook, the chorus, and when the drums are playing, you wanna get it to -9. And if there's no drums, get it to around -12, -16, that would be standard for that. Step number 5, this is gonna seem a little crazy, but I promise you this will take your vocals and music to the next level. Listen to the song on your phone with no headphones and see how it sounds on your device. If it sounds good on this, it's gonna sound good everywhere. Remember, the majority of people that are gonna listen to your music and your vocals are gonna be listening to it on a phone. So if it sounds good on this, it will sound good on everything. And this is the most important device. So after you're done with the mix, bounce it out, listen on your phone, write down some notes like, hey, I need it to be a little louder. I want the vocals to be a little bit louder. I want them to have a little more top end. So you'd go to your vocal and open up an EQ, and let's do the graphic EQ on this one, and just boost up the highs a little bit if you want a little more crispy. Hey, we need them a little louder. Okay, go to compressor, turn up the gain a little bit, and boom, then we got our notes done, and then rebounce it, and then listen on your phone again. Once it's perfect, then you can export and put it onto streaming platforms, release on Instagram. It's gonna sound good. But I promise, if you do those 5 steps, you will always have a nice sounding vocal, and I guarantee it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Just smash that like button real quick. It takes a half a millisecond. I put a lot of work into these videos, and I enjoy helping you guys. So if you have any questions about anything, leave them down below. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. A lot of you guys aren't subscribed that are watching my videos, and it just breaks my heart. So smash that subscribe button if you enjoy learning about vocal mixing, anything music, really. But yeah, I will see you guys next video. Peace.